Welcome to Cooking with Anvi and Arya. This is our first video in our new channel. Check out our other channel, Fashion Passion and The Believers. Like and subscribe! Arya is not going to be here today because she's behind the scenes as the camera lady. What you're going to need is these white chocolates, sprinkles, food coloring, mini bars, and a double boiler. If you don't have it, I'll show you how to make it in a bit. So we're going to make mini bars today, and as you can see, we have mini chocolate bars. Now I'm going to teach you how to make a mini boiler at home. So it's really simple. All you need is like a pot and a bowl. So you need hot water. Just gotta pour it in, and you gotta put that in. And whatever you have in there, it will melt. So I'm gonna put this aside while I'm waiting for my boiling water to boil. Okay, got it out. Anyways, I think our boiling water is done. Okay, so if you want, you can put little sprinkles. Just a pinch, and have to put this much. Okay, so Arya's going to add the water into.
You're gonna do it.
I'm going to add this water.
The boiling hot water you're afraid of?
I'm gonna add this boiling hot water. I'm scared.
No, in here.
Okay.
So you guys, this is how you make a hot boiler. Double boiler. Oh my god, look at the steam. You guys can't see it, but it's there. Is that all?
No.
Pour it in. Okay, stop. That's how much you want it. You don't want it way too high. Now you put it in.
I'm not putting it in. But first, what you gotta do is you gotta put some of these in.
I want to eat one. Yummy.
These are really good. They taste delicious.
They're vanilla chips. Don't put a lot.
If you don't know where they are, they're really good actually. So, try to find them.
You're not gonna get burnt. Just put it in. What? That's cheating.
I'm armed. This is scary. Even with this, I'm scared.
Why are you doing that? Just put it in. Okay, yeah. You want your bowl to be straight. So,
Whoa, it's already melting.
yeah, go get
With
this.
water.
So we'll see you guys once she is done mixing.
In the boiling part, you really need an adult for this.
Okay, guys, it's me, Arya, and I'm going to be doing this for a little bit because I don't think Anvi is very good at pouring.
Okay, now she's pouring it into these
Molds.
really cute molds.
And then you
Really
want to
cute.
like press it
Really
down
cute.
with the spoon. So if you gotta keep mixing and you can't stop for 1 second or it will dry out. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue.
Okay, so we're going to put this in the freezer for about a few minutes. And
Maybe 2 hours to be just...
no, 2 minutes. Because it's already getting really hard.
You have to put it in for 2 hours, 1 hour, whatever feels right. But the max is 2 hours, definitely not minutes. 2 minutes, no.
No.
So we'll see you again in like whenever it dries.
1 hour.
Yeah,
1 hour.
bye.